Hello again. In this video we're going to be making two spacers for a Hope mountain bike. So what these do is, there is an imperial hub on the outside and a metric part on the inside. So they have a 9mm hole in the middle and a 3/4 inch diameter on the outside. So they started as a piece of 3/4 inch brass bar which already had a hole in the middle. So all I had to do was enlarge it with this 8.9mm 4-facet drill. And then with them being so thin and I didn't want to use much material, I reamed them afterwards. And the reason for doing this is, on a standard tapered reamer you don't get to the 9mm diameter until about where my thumb is. So having to drill a hole that deep in a material is quite wasteful. So after drilling them, I parted them off with a Jones & Shipman parting tool. So this one over here, labelled B, with the stamp thing there, is 0.7 thick, and this one over here is 1.3mm thick. So the owner of the bike was previously using this, which is a stamped steel washer, and with it being down on the wheel, this really isn't ideal, as it would soon go rusty, and also the hole in the middle is too big and it would rattle around. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy this. And just to quickly add, you'll notice I have two spacers here, but the film only shows me parting off one. This is mainly because I forgot to press record when parting the first one. Hope you enjoy it.
she never stopped playing, you know, she